adopts hire and fire approach to governance to move the nation forward, Okorocha tell Buhari. Former Imo Governor Senator Rochas Okorocha has asked President Muhammad Buhari to do away with incompetent aides by adopting the hire and fire mechanism to governance to move the nation forward and deliver the much needed dividends of democracy. He said the will of progress of the country could be better enhanced when competent and qualified Nigerians are made to man strategic positions. The lawmaker, who represents Imo West Senatorial, spoke while hosting members of the Integrity Group of the Non-National Working Committee of the National Executive Committee (NEC) of the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC) in his office at Abuja. According to him, I must say here that what works in most developed countries is hire and fire, which brings discipline in the system. There is nothing as bad as persons who occupy government positions and are not working but are kept for sentiment basis. They should be fired to create room for those who can perform. There is nobody on earth who is Alpha and Omega. If you can't do the job, be sure that someone can do it. But when you know you can't be fired, if you mess up, you tend to mess up the more. So I suggest that our party should begin the issue of hire and fire. That is why I commend the decision to remove the leadership of APC. That is how it should go. If you can't do the job, we show you the way out. I will urge our party, the APC, under the leadership of President Muhammad Buhari, imbibe the spirit and fire so that people can sit up and do the right thing. Okorocha also called on the leadership of the party to, as a matter of urgency, return the party to how things were at the information stage. He lamented the continuous loss of APC traditional states to the opposition. People's Democratic Party (PDP), especially with the recent loss of Edo, should not be allowed to continue. The lawmaker also frowned at the complete absence of the party in the South-South zone, blaming this on the leadership of the party for neglecting founding fathers of the party. We no longer have what I term as collective responsibility. Rather, we have selfish responsibility. Where leaders are busy thinking the next election and what positions they can occupy instead of thinking about the dividends of democracy as it should affect the people of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We therefore come back to the roots of the problem in our party because the very people who worked for the success of the party are the ones that have been neglected. Rather, those who came yesterday have taken over. This is why there is so much anger from the world level to the national. Those who have been empowered have refused to empower others from the world to the national level. The issue of empowerment is empower one person so that he can empower others. But those who have been empowered now have new friends and neglected the foot soldiers. And at the end of the day, it is President Muhammad Buhari that takes the brunt. This is why I advise that we go back to the drawing board and some of these laudable projects should be extended to the party. I do not see any ward chairman and his 26 members who cannot farm under the Anchor Borrower program. So policies of our government are just hanging and do not get to the grassroots. Owners of our party are not participating in the running of the party. Thank you for listening to this news. My viewers, permit me to tell you that Rochas Okorocha has just spoken the truth. Yeah. He has just told you the humble truth. At least for the very first time. He said something reasonable. And that's just it. Yeah. You see, our country is in shambles because of the hand the president has given to his aide, and because of the approach that is being employed. You understand? If you look at the people elected as ministers under this administration, you will see that they are very weakly people. Very, very weakly. You understand? People that are not capable. People that are not fit. People that cannot deliver. This administration elected people based on tribe, not minding their capability and possibility, not minding what they are capable of. And that is why this administration keep having problems. And this administration will keep having problems if nothing is done about it, and it's so painful. So that's why I said what Okorocha have just said is the truth. Because President Muhammadu Buhari's administration is filled up with incapable hands and people that are not capable of doing the job. You get it? So if President Muhammadu Buhari can do the needful, carry out his statistics, check those who are not capable and do away with them and employ the capable hands. What do you think? Well, it's my opinion anyway. I don't know of you. Please do well to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.